मैं आपको किस चीज़ की फीस दूँ। तो उन्होंने कहा कि एक काम करो, आप पहले जहाँ पे जिस कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे वहाँ उस कॉलेज से सर्टिफिकेट लेके आओ कि मैंने वहाँ पे कोई क्राइम नहीं किया, कोई भी अदर एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं की। तो मैंने कहा कि सर इसके लिए आपको वेरिफिकेशन करने की जरूरत है, मेरे को क्या जरूरत है, आपको गवर्नमेंट सैलरी दे रही है, लेकिन फिर आप क्यों नहीं करते। तो बोला कि आप जहाँ जहाँ रहे हो, जिस जिस जगह जहाँ पे आप रिलेटिव्स में आपके बुआ ताई जहाँ भी रहते हो, हर जगह हर पुलिस थाने से आप ये लिखवा के लाओ कि आपका कहाँ से वो करे। तो मैंने उनको 200 रुपये उस टाइम दे दिए। मतलब भ्रष्ट ये एक मैंने अपनी तरफ से वो करने के लिए कि मेरा ये पीछा छोड़ दे किसी तरह, लेकिन ये मोस्ट थिंग नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने खुद करप्शन को बढ़ावा दिया है। बट ये थिंग जापान पे लागू नहीं होती। वहाँ के लोग इतने पोलाइट है कि आप लोगों का वो खुद से काम करते हैं। वहाँ पे आप लोगों को खुद से वो इनवाइट करते हैं हर चीज़ के लिए, आपके हर काम के लिए आपको वो देते हैं, बढ़ावा देते हैं हर काम करने के लिए। और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे हमारे कल्चर में और जापान के कल्चर में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है। द मेन डिफरेंट इज दैट we are not disciplined in everything, like we are spread everything dust and everything, we just throw out the pamphlets and any other things on the roadside and any other things. So the first thing is that we should need to discipline ourselves, and first thing is that we need to increase our attitude in everything, and we should need to polite in everything. We need to respect every people's and every man's. First of all, we respect all the teachers. I was not good in everything. Mr. Abhinav sir know that, but it's maybe my luck that I went there in Japan, and Mr. Abhinav sir invited me to came here. Thank you, sir. And I also मेरे को बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आता था, जैसे हमने कुछ हिंदी में कुछ पढ़ा और इंग्लिश में, बट उस टाइम हमने सर से भी नहीं पूछा, मतलब फीलिंग की साई फील करते थे बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ आने के लिए, उस टाइम नहीं पूछा कुछ भी। लेकिन मैं आपसे कहता हूँ हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हमारे हर टीचर हमारे साथ फ्रेंडली हो, लेकिन हम उनके साथ फ्रेंडली नहीं होना चाहते। हम ना तो पढ़ना चाहते ना और कुछ करना चाहते, हम बस उनके साथ फ्रेंडली जरूर होना चाहते बट पढ़ना नहीं चाहते। तो उनका रैली वगैरह निकलती, हम अपना लेक्चर बंक करके कंपनी से झूठ बोल के कैसे भी छुट्टी करके उनके लिए जाते हैं, उनके हम रैली में सपोर्ट करते हैं, दंगा करते हैं। बस इस चीज़ के लिए हमारे पास टाइम है, बट हमारे इस चीज़ के लिए टाइम नहीं कि हम मतलब कहाँ पे पढ़े और क्या उसके लिए अप्लाई करें। तो मैं सबसे पहले कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम अपने इंडिया कंट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा साफ़ सफाई पे ध्यान दें और सबसे ज़्यादा अपने आप को डेवलप करें कि हम इस अदर एक्टिविटी में नहीं पड़े, ताकि हम आगे अपने देश को रिप्रेजेंट कर सकें। मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि हमारी इंडिया कंट्री की वहाँ पे जो है वो इतनी खास अहमियत नहीं दी हुई है। ये हमारी पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा है यहाँ पे जिन्होंने बढ़ाया हुआ है कि हमारा देश बढ़ रहा है, लेकिन इतना कुछ वो नहीं है जितना हमारे फेसबुक प्रोफाइलिंग के द्वारा हमें प्राप्त हो रहा है कि हम विदेश में वहाँ गए वो क्या। बट ये जरूर कहना चाहता हूँ कि हमारी कंट्री की इस चीज़ से वो वैल्यू खराब हो रही है कि हम लोग एकदम करप्ट है और साफ़ सफाई के मामले में बिल्कुल वो नहीं है। अभी मैं आपको एक टॉपिक बताना चाहता हूँ। मैं और मेरे दोस्त है 2-3 इंडियन वहाँ पे, तो हम लोग
and humbleness which we have to bring in ourselves. Sir has also given a very relevant message for students, so I believe our students will really use those opinion of sir. Now it's time to honor our guests from different industries who are here to grace our occasion with their experience and limited Japan with a memento. Thank you so much, Praveen sir. Thank you, Sundar Singh sir. Resource management and stress management. He has presented, edited and reviewed good number of research papers. He is member of organizations like All India Management Association, New Delhi.
Across the dais, Shri Praveen Garg ji, Robin Shriwal ji, Sudhir sir, Dr. Rajiv Gupta ji, Hemant Gupta ji, Anil Agarwal ji, Dr. Anup Srivastav ji, all the students, teachers, faculties, and the staff member of NIUT. Today we are talking about Make in India. We have heard a wonderful lectures from Rajiv Gupta ji, Srivastav ji, Sudhir ji. Because I can understand this, when a student is nurtured in an institute, he is brought on the dais of the institute to share his success. What happiness we get is more than the award of Padma Shri for us. For a teacher, it's a big award when a student comes before, he talks before, he shares his experiences, and he enlightens the others. He becomes a torch bearer of success for others as well. It's a very good, it's a pleasing situation to be around with these factors. Now, when I talk about Make in India, as Anup Srivastav has mentioned it, Rajiv Gupta ji also mentioned it, it's not a new concept at all. If you look at traditional Indian villages, we have been making everything in India. Self-contained. A village was not even need to go out of the other village for something to buy. All craftsmen, utilities, supplies, supply chain management, preservation, logistics, manufacturing, everything was there. And believe me, nobody was charging any patent and copyrights for that also, since ages. So that's our philosophy of giving. हम देने में ज़्यादा यकीन रखते हैं. Sir mentioned about split personality. I agree to that. I endorse it fully. Why that has come? That has come because of the changes or the rapid economic development of the society and degradation of human values in this society. I was in other conference in Delhi University. It was on inclusive development, strategies for inclusive development. Whole batteries of speakers had spoken about it. And while listening to these speakers, I realized that any nation which has got more numbers of law are having less values, human values. So there was one beautiful sentence that I could catch from this conference. When you have got good human values, you need least law. When you don't have good human values, you need law for every damn thing. The world is short to satisfy one man's greed. So we have to differentiate between these two things. We believe in chasing, running, making careers. You go to the best engineering college, you study from the galaxies of teachers. You get information which you believe is knowledge. You are not able to transform that knowledge unless somebody guides you to do that. Why do you need to go to Google and start working on their platform? Why don't you start your own platform? It's very simple. But the mindset has been made that you have to go to good school, you have to go to the good university, good institution, good engineering college, good company, good job, good salary, good life, that's all. So we mold ourselves to things which is existing in the society, and believe me, these are dynamics. And these dynamics constantly change, they are not static. So what dynamics are we preparing ourselves for? That is one thing. You don't know how much taxes you are paying because it has been taken care by the accounts people. But the point is, are you doing what you are supposed to do? This self-introspection came. I say, know thyself. अपने आप को पहचानो. आप किस चीज के लिए बने हैं? वो जिस दिन पहचान लिया, then you will be passionate to do things what you love to do. Believe me, answer to yourself, how many of you are chasing this particular academic program by your own choice? And how many of you are doing this program out of default? And how many of doing these courses because you don't know what to do? He is doing, let me also do. So if you are doing it by choice, they are the happiest people. If you are doing it by default and you may fall in love with the subject, you may be lucky. But you are not doing with choice, you don't fall in love with the subject or discipline, and you somehow drag yourself, you become a topper. You get in the best Google of the company, but you will not be able to sustain that point. That is where we say sustainable development. If I like small unit of a thing in the whole program, don't worry, you like something, that is what is your passion. That passion will tell you, make that in India. So once you know this is my passion, and believe me, you may not have resources, सबको लड़ाई लड़नी पड़ती है. Everybody's life has got a story worth mentioning to you. Just because you are empowered, who empowered you? Society empowered you. Now what are you doing for the society? Nothing, I am taking from the society, I am a consumer of the society. No, not that. So when you talk about passion about a certain thing, that passion drives you to make in India. I gave up my corporate career, I have got no regret at all. All my friends are HR, president of many companies across the world. In my house itself, my wife is a chartered accountant, CEO of a company. So my son get in confusion. His dad is just a university professor. My mom is a CEO. So he took a little bit of time to adjust because he was not doing my corporate career because it was too small that time. And I had no time for my child. Forget about the society. And I am paying a price for that. So once you know, let us correct. बोर्ड की कल सुबह 11 बजे आपकी एग्जामिनेशन ले रहे हैं, कईयों को पसीना आना शुरू हो जाएगा, अनकंफर्टेबल होने शुरू हो जाएंगे. Why exams? Believe me, you are masters of exams. आपने कम से कम 200 एग्जाम्स पास करी हैं. Still when you talk about examination, you are worried. You say, okay sir, tell us the syllabus. I said, whatever we taught in the class, we will take exam on that. He said, no, be specific. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3. चलो मैं कहता पहले 2 यूनिट ले. Then you want to be specific. Sir, within those 2 units. Okay. So you go on to specifics and specifics. Believe me, मैं अगर आपको कहूँगा कि मैं ये 2 टॉपिक के ऊपर आपको क्वेश्चंस बना के दे रहा हूँ और उसकी एग्जाम दूंगा और आप जो है आंसर बुक, टेक्स्ट बुक अपने पास रख के उससे देख के पेपर लिख सकते हैं. This I have done it. Open book examinations. It is all application oriented. We are getting information, carrying the information and dumping the information and we say we are intelligent. I am sorry, I disagree on that. If your passion, like the subject, तो दिन और रात वो सब्जेक्ट पे घूमते रहता है ना, आपके दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ घूमते रहता है. नॉन एकेडमिक्स भी, so I am not talking about that. बट एकेडमिक वाली बाई चांस कोई चीज़ घूमते रहे तो आपका करियर बन गया. यू हैव डन मेड अ बिग कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टुवर्ड्स मेकिंग इंडिया बिकॉज योर साइकिक हैज एक्सेप्टेड. आई हैव ऑलवेज सेड दैट इफ यू, आई डोंट नो व्हाट वियर्ड थिंग केम इन हिज माइंड. ही एनरोल्ड फॉर जापानीज कोर्स इन गोखले इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ रानडे इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज. इट इज इन पुणे. My schooling college is from Pune. That 3-month diploma certification, whatever you call it. कर लिया फिर once you pass out, you get your job, your career starts, forget all friends. पहले 5 साल तो याद नहीं आते friends. फिर याद आता है कोई friend भी था. तो पूछते अरे उसका क्या हुआ? Where is he? Say he did not get the placement. So where is he surviving? How is he doing now? He said, yeah, guy, if you meet him, you will not believe him. I said, what? He says he is right-hand man of a chairman of a company which deal in consumer durables, electronic goods. Go on doing it. And we did it, sir. Very successful. 3.5 lakh rupees was given to us. Student got stipend. Other cost, all have. Absolutely have. Next year, the same team said, sir, what about the next project? Naga, why next project? You start a project. You decide a project. Well, how can we decide? I said there will be some problem in your society. हाँ, identify करो. पेन डाउन करो, उस पर हम काम करते हैं. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी sponsored a small project on garbage collection among the societies. Sir, बहुत कुछ है. I'm telling you, there is so much things available to you. So you are not looking at things, and therefore you are not making anything. Start looking at the problem which is surrounding you. That is the first step. दो लोग तो एग्री करेंगे एक प्रॉब्लम को, उस दो लोगों से एक टीम बनेगी. क्या प्रॉब्लम है, आपके टीचर से बात कीजिए, कॉलेज में लाइएगा, इंडस्ट्री इंटरफेस कीजिएगा. अगर आपको बहुत बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट करना है तो उसके लिए मैं आपको बता दूं, I'll take 2 more minutes and I'll stop here. क्योंकि प्रोफेसर एक बार शुरू हो गए तो 45 मिनट से पहले रुक लेंगे, ये प्रॉब्लम है. Now I'll tell you, corporates, there is something called as corporate social responsibility, CSR. अब इंडिया के अंदर एक ऐसा मुल्क है, इंडिया ऐसा मुल्क है जहाँ पे इसको बाय लॉ स्टैट्यूटरी कर दिया. थोड़ा अजीब लगता है कि आप पैसे कमा रहे हो, पैसे कमाने के बाद आपने उसमें से दान करना है. शेड्यूल 7 of Companies Act 2013 specifies what are the activities in which you can spend money.
When you have good human value, you don't need anything else. We believe in chasing the success, but we don't believe in doing something for ourselves. We should make a SWOT analysis every day, every week to introspect what we are doing, good and what not. Are you doing what you are meant for doing? You should be passionate towards your work and choose a career of your choice. So we all should bring that passion in us to contribute to our society. Sir has given us and youth a suggestion that we should first understand our failures and then only we can improve. Sir,
Ranu just said that Indian economy changed when IT sector came in and helped to, we are not forced to land our gold back to the organizations or countries abroad. I, as IT guy, I'm AWS Cloud. I teach my students how to deploy their tools on AWS Cloud. I teach my students how to use Gmail. I'm again saying I feel myself unfortunate to do so. I'm not saying that I'm fortunate enough to teach my students to use IBM Azure. I'm not fortunate enough to teach my students anything called as Google, because none of them are made by us. Today, IT sector is giving more than 20% of the employment in this country and around 25% of the revenue. As though I'm not from the economics background, but at least I know about the IT sector. It is the highest paid. IT sector is more a service sector. Dr. Anup has already said that today when we see startups, 80 to 90% startups are from service sector only. Whether you take Amazon, you take Flipkart, or you take any even app for delivering tea at your home also is a service sector app. So technology has to be developed indigenously at our country also. When we talk about Make in India, I remember only one name which I can proudly say that I am an Indian while talking about a software, Pinnacle. Pinnacle is a software initially developed by Infosys, and today it is being used by more than 70 banks, globally recognized in a different customized manners, of course. Not exactly everybody is using as the name Pinnacle only. In fact, due to copyright issues, some banks said Pinnacle should be named as Pinnacle also. It came up, Infosys faced this thing also, though they were serving them. So, what I urge upon, what I am trying to do, apart from being a Dean Academics at a university, I am Director of a Center for Cloud Infrastructure and Security also. I am trying to train my students to learn to design their own cloud. The future is good only when we start developing things by our own. Dr. Gupta just before start of the session said me, sir, can we have a cloud for the education system of Rajasthan? Why to hire a cloud from Amazon or any other organization? I really respect the words, because today, in fact, in my organization also, we deployed our own ERP. We made it by our own 10 students and 3 faculty members did it. But at the end of the day, it was deployed on a platform called Moodle, which is not owned by Canada. So, my knowledge, my effort is empowered, we did effort, but the revenue to host it also is earned by some third party. Government of India has also taken some initiatives into it. One good thing is they have launched a 9-point program called as Digital India. And Digital India has truly transformed. Government has launched a concept called Digital Locker. Now you are not supposed to carry your documents everywhere, upload them, get them registered over Digital Locker, and using that cloud, which Government of India has made in collaboration with NIC as GI Cloud. You might have heard the term GI Cloud. Everything which you own can be 100% work on being a computer engineer. So I ask my students also, please